Before you rush to add the DEWALT to your toolkit, there are some surprising downsides you might want to hear about. Stick around to find out more. The DEWALT DCS590B is a cordless circular saw designed for those who demand power and precision. It's built to handle tough jobs while offering features that make cutting tasks easier and safer. Its ergonomic design feels solid and comfortable in your hands, with a well-balanced top handle position that gives you full control. The blade is strategically placed on the right side, which provides an unobstructed view of the cutting line, perfect for making precise, straight cuts. One of the standout features is the brushless motor, which delivers an impressive 1700 MWL for high performance even in demanding applications. This design not only boosts cutting power, but also enhances the overall durability of the tool. Paired with a 7¼ inch blade, the saw can cut up to 2 9/16 inches deep at 90 degrees, making it capable of slicing through thick materials with ease. The bevel capacity of up to 57 degrees, with convenient stops at 45 and 22½ degrees, allows you to execute angled cuts effortlessly, making it an excellent choice for complex woodworking projects. For added convenience, the saw comes with an electronic brake, which quickly stops the blade as soon as you release the trigger. This is a game changer for safety and efficiency, ensuring the saw is ready for your next move almost instantly. It also features a built-in LED light, which keeps your workspace illuminated and ensures precise cuts, even in dimly lit environments. Additionally, the saw offers optional compatibility with DEWALT's airlock system or standard 35mm dust extractors, making cleanup easier and keeping your workspace cleaner. However, this tool does come with a few limitations. It's sold as a bare tool, so you'll need to purchase the battery and charger separately if you don't already own them. This could add to the upfront cost, especially if you're new to the DEWALT's 20V max ecosystem. Some users have also noted that the electronic brake can occasionally engage unexpectedly, which might disrupt your workflow. At approximately $250, this circular saw is an investment. But for professionals or avid DIYers, its reliability and advanced features make it worth considering. For the latest offers and current pricing, make sure to check out the Amazon link in the description. So, what are the pros and cons of choosing this tool? First, the cons. Battery and charger sold separately. Potential unexpected engagement of the automatic brake, heavier than some competitors. Now, the pros. Powerful brushless motor, high cutting capacity, versatile bevel adjustments, safety-enhancing electronic brake, integrated LED for improved visibility, and efficient dust collection compatibility. To explore the latest deals on the DEWALT, check out the Amazon link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comments below.